Good morning, friends. Hope this week is a great week for you, and I wanted to start it for you with some great cleaning motivation. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time, and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I'm going to share with you my master bedroom and master ensuite clean with me. I was deep cleaning it, cleaning my sheets, and also doing some laundry. So I will share all that with you. But first, I wanted to put a load in and also tidy up the room. It was a very big mess. I have been getting all my camping gear organized, so I had neglected my bedroom and my laundry, but I wanted to get it all done so that way when we went away, all the laundry was done, so then when we return I can just concentrate on the laundry from camping. So as you know, as I said, we were going camping and I wanted to get my house in order before we left, so the master bedroom and the ensuite were one of them. I tend to be quite the slob, and I have to constantly work on that and get my stuff cleaned. Usually I have a pretty good routine in the morning where after my workout, I tidy up my bedroom, make the bed and all that, but I was actually on holidays and like I said, I was working on other things, and the bedroom and the ensuite got left behind. Let me know if you fall behind on your cleaning routines. I find that the cleaning routines that I have set out for myself work so great, but if I stir away from them, then just everything kind of falls apart on me. So I try to stick to them as much as I can, but life gets in the way sometimes. Whenever I'm cleaning, I like to catch up on my YouTube watching. Do you guys do that as well? Some of you may know I run a home daycare, and I use this anti-bac method cleaner to disinfect the beds. So that is what I'm doing right now, because this was the start of my holidays, so I wouldn't be using that bed for a whole week. The laundry has gotten away as well. I feel that ever since March, the kids been home because they wear uniforms to school. Usually there isn't as much laundry, but ever since they've been home, there is so much laundry all the time. And I thought with them not having their work and their water polo, that I wouldn't have so many towels. They're both lifeguards as well, that I wouldn't have so many towels to wash. But my goodness, I think I do like 3 or 4 loads a week of towels. So went out this week and picked up some new shampoo. I'm gonna be trying that Diva Curl shampoo. I don't know if anybody uses it. Let me know down in the comments if you do. My hair isn't overly curly, but more the bottom is curly, the top is frizzy and out of control, and supposedly this shampoo is supposed to tame that a little bit, so I wanted to give it a try. So I also like to use Biolage as well, but this particular one I had purchased a while ago. It's actually conditioner, and it smells like pee. Every time I put it on my hair, I feel like it smells like pee. And my daughter feels the same way, so we stopped using it. I do put it under the counter because as a backup in case if I run out, but I should just throw it out. Also wanted to mention, I will link in my Eye in the Sky if you want to see how I recently renovated this bathroom for under $500. I thought I turned my camera on when I was adding essential oils into my diffuser, but whenever I clean or after I'm done cleaning, I like to put some fresh smelling oils into a diffuser. It's usually some sort of a citrus and mint smell. It just makes me it smells so clean and fresh. So once the bedroom was all tidied, I moved on to cleaning and dusting any glass surfaces or like anything that need to be dusting other than furniture. And then I finish it off with polishing the furniture. So this kind of gives you a timeline of how long this has been taking me. I am on my second load of laundry, sorting it and putting it away. then I end my cleaning with a good vacuuming and a floor washing in the bathroom. I use my stick vacuum. Sometimes I use my ball vacuum. It just depends what I'm in the mood for. And then I use my steamer for the bathroom floor. So the only thing left to do is put fresh, clean sheets on my bed, and that's it. Those are my clothes that I'm taking camping, so I was just setting them off to a side. So I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you think that there's somebody out there that would benefit from some of my motivation, please share this video. And if you are new, first time stopping by, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming uploads. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.